Are you thinking about upgrading your home to be more energy efficient? The Canada Greener Homes Loan offers up to $40,000 in interest-free financing to help you make impactful changes while saving on utility bills. Let's break down how this program works and how you can benefit. The Canada Greener Homes Loan is a government initiative providing homeowners with interest-free loans of up to $40,000. To qualify, you first need to apply for the Canada Greener Homes Grant and have an energy advisor recommend eligible upgrades for your home. His program is designed to reduce your carbon footprint, lower energy costs, and make your home more comfortable. It supports Canada's move toward sustainability and a low-carbon future. To qualify, you must be a Canadian citizen, permanent resident, or legally authorized non-permanent resident. Own and live in the home. Have a pre-retrofit evaluation done after April 1st, 2020. Have not yet started the retrofits. Have a good credit history. The loan covers various energy-efficient upgrades, including Energy Star certified windows and doors, insulation for walls, attics, and basements, air sealing to prevent heat loss, smart thermostats for optimized energy use, high-efficiency heating and cooling systems, renewable energy options like solar panels and geothermal systems. Applying is simple. Here's how it works. Apply for the Canada Greener Homes Grant. Get a pre-retrofit EnerGuide evaluation. Plan your upgrades and get contractor quotes. Submit your loan application with all required documents. Complete your approved retrofits and keep receipts. Schedule a post-retrofit evaluation. Receive your loan amount. Repay over 10 years, interest-free. Upgrading your home's energy efficiency comes with major benefits. Increased home value. Modern energy-efficient homes attract buyers. Enhanced comfort. No more drafts, better temperature control. Lower maintenance costs. Energy-efficient systems last longer. Government support. Interest-free financing makes it affordable. If you're considering window replacements, insulation, or other upgrades, now is the time to take advantage of this incredible program. Window Seal West offers Energy Star certified windows that enhance energy efficiency and comfort. Visit the Government of Canada's website to learn more and apply. And if you're looking for high-quality, energy-efficient windows, contact Window Seal West today. Let's make your home greener and more comfortable together.